Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how I got this really simple dewy glowy look. And the first thing I used was the Maybelline Master Conceal just to use as an eye base. And I'm using the Jacyln Heal palette, and I'm only using this turquoise color. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing with a duo fiber blending brush is I'm taking that turquoise color and I'm putting it right into the outer V, and I am sweeping it upwards, and I'm basically just blending this back and forth to almost the middle of my eye. So this is going in my crease and a little bit above my crease, and I'm literally just blending this out. Also taking that same turquoise color with a smaller blending brush, and I am putting that on the lower lash line. Next, I'm using the OFRA Makeup Fixer Mist, and this stuff is the bomb, and it just is so hydrating. The only thing is you do get a lot out when you first pump it out, which is what you see on my forehead. And next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This stuff is life. This is the shade Caramel, I believe. No, I'm sorry, it's Golden Beige. And it basically just blends into my skin super flawlessly, giving me like an airbrush look, and it definitely does not leave me streaky. Next, I'm just taking a clean blending brush, and I'm literally just blending that turquoise color out so it's no harsh lines. And now I'm just adding a little bit more color just in case I got some of it taken away when I blended it out. Next, I'm using OFRA Cosmetics liquid liner in black, and I'm just going to give myself a really light and small wing. This mascara is my all-time fave. This is the Too Faced Cosmetics Better Than Sex Mascara, and it's going on my top and lower lashes. These are the eyelashes I'm using. They are Mink eyelashes, and I don't remember where I got them from. The name isn't on the box anymore, but they are pretty much thick eyelashes. And now I'm using my black Radiance pressed powder in Bronze Glow. This is my favorite. I've already hit pan, and I definitely need to get some more. I don't know why I'm procrastinating. And I'm basically just contouring all the normal areas. Next, I'm setting my face with some just some translucent powder that I got from Walmart, and this stuff is actually really nice. I will leave the name of it down below because I can't remember it off back right now, but I definitely love it because it does not set like into my fine lines underneath my eyes and anything like that. It's just very smooth and matte. Next, I'm taking the OFRA Rodeo Drive highlighter, and this stuff, I definitely was not expecting it to be so pigmented, but I am happy that it is, just because I don't need a lot of product now that I see that. And this definitely just made me have like that super glowy, dewy look without having to do anything. And next, I'm just going to set everything again with the OFRA Cosmetics Mist, and this is a makeup fixer as well, but it definitely is going to set everything I just highlighted because I don't want my highlight to move at all. And again, you'll see me just fan it away because it does take some time to dry. And I'm also going to put some of that highlighter underneath my eye. For lip gloss, I'm just using Makeup Forever's 100 lip gloss, and I didn't line my lips or anything like that. I just want like a super glossy lip, and that's literally it to the look. It's super simple. I hope that you guys enjoyed this walkthrough, and please let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video.